Hello everybody, and welcome back to another makeup tutorial video. So we're gonna do another special makeup look for the summer. By the way, the hangout from yesterday was a good time. We had fun dancing. I even show you guys my preview of my first upcoming singing cover video, and then all of a sudden I sang very good when I just did a preview, a sneak peek of my upcoming singing cover videos I'm going to be posting very soon, especially my original music too, that I'm going to drop for my upcoming album between 2028 and 2029. What I also want to do is to make my own skits, funny skits, because I've been watching these videos like that hundreds of times, because these skits like that I used to watch are very hilarious and make my day. Also, what's gonna happen for the rest of the summer, I definitely want to do more vlogs, because yeah, why not do more vlogs? So it's apparently next Saturday is the first day of August, and I'm very nervous to go to August and close out my summer break. I was supposed to start fall 2026 semester August 28th, but because I only go to classes on Mondays through Thursdays, unfortunately I'm gonna have to start like on the first week of September, because apparently that's on a Friday and I do not take classes on a Friday. I want to do a dark fuchsia purple look today because I just wanted to do that. So I'm gonna go with this color called Moth Purple. Because apparently I ran out of makeup looks ideas for colors for purple. I was supposed to do a dark fuchsia purple color, but I'm just gonna go with a little bit of the, I don't know, maybe dark pink, and we'll save this lavender purple for another time. I'm gonna use this dark pink and put a little bit. I think I did my best, but it doesn't turn out to be the fuchsia purple that I wanted. But it's okay though. I'm gonna go with this palette. And I'm gonna go with at least two colors. I'm gonna go with this purple and this deep purple, whatever that is. Dark mauve, however you want to call it. And if this eyeshadow color went wrong, it's okay. At least I did my best. Alright, I'm gonna do the eyeliner, because apparently my eyeshadow color went wrong. I thought this fuchsia color is gonna be that dark, but I just put a light color, then just a dark color, wherever that is, a dark purple color. By the way, I'm gonna call this color a bright fuchsia look, because the colors I use for the eyeshadow, just to make it a fuchsia dark purple, it had officially run wrong because I used bright colors and dark colors. I'm not sure why though, because I'm in a hurry because I want to do another YouTube video on my main YouTube channel. By the way, I just like doing my makeup just for fun, because I want to, because I'm the queen of doing my makeup, so that's cool though. Alright, come back for the final eye look and I'll do the lips. Alright, so I did the lashes and the mascara on the bottom lashes. And the lashes I'm using is this brand. Once again, I'm going to do 3 lip colors again. So I'm going to start with black cherry lipstick first. But I'm not going to put too much because it's too dark to wear in the daytime, unless otherwise. Alright, I'm going to do purple lipstick called Mighty Glam. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but that's the name of the lipstick that I had. The purple color. Lastly, we're gonna go with this Fuchsia for Me deep pink or dark pink lipstick from Maybelline. Does it have a backup color? Okay, this is the final makeup look, so stay tuned for the hair reveal, the hairstyle, especially the outfit reveal as well. Okay, this is the final look. Looks cute though. I'm sorry I'm wearing a sweater and a long sleeve shirt because I definitely want to wear it for the house and to play dress up in general, just for fun though. If you want, I can show you the full outfit, but before that, this is the hairstyle I'm wearing. A low ponytail, but on the left side, not on the back side, just the left side right here, so that's good. I'm wearing side bangs again, but this time I didn't curl up my side bangs. It's just fluffy hair in general. Okay. Now for the outfit reveal, full outfit though. See, as I'm wearing a purple shirt right here, wearing a burgundy purple sweater. It's very soft and cute. I'm wearing black capris. This is black leggings though, but it's capris. And these are the strap sandals I'm wearing once again. Looks cool though. Yay! Alright guys, so thank you all for watching today's makeup tutorial video. If you love this video, and if you do like it, give it a big thumbs up. This will be helpful towards my next video. So make sure to subscribe for more great content. Thank you all for watching. Have a good weekend. See you on my next video. Bye!